vChecks, the easiest way to pay for QuickBooks Online. After signing up for vChecks, entering and verifying your bank account, adding the app to your QBO account, you can start paying all your vendors with vChecks. Create a new check payment, as you always do. Check Print Later. Click Save and Close. Go to Apps. Launch the vChecks app. Select Checks and click Print as vChecks. Enter your SHTAR password. Your check is now virtually printed. A vCheck number is assigned in QBO that is used for auto reconciliation. vChecks may require one or more digital signatures or can be pre-approved. When the vCheck is approved, we email the recipient. The email includes vCheck number, pay stub details, attached invoices. The vendor clicks Deposit. The vendor enters their account number and routing number, and the money is transferred into their account. The money is transferred directly into their bank account. The easiest way to pay.